does the wastewater go? We use water for various household purposes. In this process, the water becomes dirty. This dirty water is called wastewater. Most houses have two sets of pipes, one carrying clean and pure water and the other carrying wastewater. The network of big and small pipes carrying the wastewater is called sewers. In the sewers, the wastewater from our homes mixes with the wastewater from industries, hospitals, offices, and rainwater runoff from the roads. The water that washes off roads and rooftops carry harmful substances with it. The mixture of all these wastes, which we see flowing in an open drain along the roadside, is called sewage. Sewage is a complex mixture containing organic waste like human and animal waste, inorganic impurities, various disease-causing bacteria, and other microbes. If untreated sewage is released into freshwater bodies, the disease-causing bacteria can spread epidemic diseases. So how do we dispose of sewage? Sewage is carried by the sewers to a wastewater treatment plant where sewage is cleaned through multiple processes and released back to the freshwater bodies. So where does the wastewater go? It goes back to the water bodies after it is treated. Waste generation is a natural part of human activity. But we can limit the type of waste and quantity of waste produced. So as a responsible citizen, how can we maintain sanitation at both home and public places? Simple steps, like always throwing waste in the designated dry or wet dustbin, not urinating or defecating in public places, and not spitting here and there on the road makes a great difference in public sanitation. In the year 2019, the government of Maharashtra imposed strict rules like spot fine for spitting or urinating in public places. If you think this is difficult, here is an inspiration. With a population of over 10 lakh, Indore has managed to defend its #1 status as the cleanest city in India in the government-initiated Swachh Bharat survey, the 4th time in a row in 2019. How can a city achieve this? Largely due to efforts by each of its citizens at home and in public places. What can we do at home? Segregate dry and wet waste. Cooking oils and fats should not be thrown down the drain. Chemicals like paints, insecticides, and medicines may kill microbes that help clean water. So do not throw them down the drain. Food waste, soft toys, and sanitary napkins should be thrown in the dustbin and not in the drains, as they choke the drains and do not allow free flow of oxygen. This hampers the degradation process. Small steps go a long way, and who knows, next time it will be your city that wins the Cleanest City Award.